What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to Macaco. Now this is a very basic trick, there's no prerequisites. It'll help you to learn the backflip too. It'll help you get over the fear of doing a backflip and going over your head. And I've seen a lot of backflip tutorials that use this as a method, the Macaco, but I've seen very few tutorials for the Macaco, so I'm going to show you guys what it's like. So here's the final product and what it's going to look like when you're done. Super easy, just make sure your arm's back and go over your head. That's the final. And how do we get there? So make sure your arm is back behind your body and just rotate around your arm. It's a very easy movement. Now you can just get a little hop into it and still go around your arm 180 degrees. And then once you get more comfortable, keep going farther and farther over your head. And at this point, if you feel comfortable enough, start to throw your arm back over your head, over your opposite shoulder, like you saw in that video. And then keep doing that farther and farther until you eventually have a Macaco. Here's one at full speed, just a normal Macaco, and then I have one in slow motion. You guys can study if you need further help. And then you're landing straight up, which will help with your backflip landings whenever you get there. And yeah, just keep grinding to get to this point. Thanks for watching the video. If this helped in any way, please be sure to like the video and consider subscribing. Any other trick you guys want a tutorial for on trampoline or on ground, just put in the comments and I'll make a tutorial for it. And at 100 subscribers, we're going to load the trampoline with balloons, so be sure to subscribe and then stay tuned for that. We're already at like 50. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the next one.